Hi, good morning. In previous video, we have discussed about how home automation has to be done by using Alexa and Google Assistants by using Android applications. How home to be automated. Now we are going to discuss about open issues and challenges for implementing an IoT in real time. Internet of Robotic Things brings significant advancements in automation, efficiency, and intelligence, but it also prevents several challenges. The several challenges can be categorized as operational, technical, and a social aspect. There are some key features of key challenges in IoT are technical challenges like interoperability, data management, and processing. And these are the things that we are going to discuss in this video. Um, Communication challenges in data communications in IoT are intercommunication, integrability, extensibility. In intercommunication, we should need a necessity of a standardization. IPv6 addressing must be used to lead the way. The current internet should be easily integrated. Components designed with the predetermined parameters. Cross-layer intercommunication required. These are the challenges in intercommunication. Even integrability, we have confidentiality about data and management of identify of privacy, access control, substantiation, trusted platforms, and encryption. These are the challenges that we have to face while implementing a IoT in real time. And extensibility to enable a higher number of smart objects. Against an extensible management protocol is to be developed for implementing this IoT. And in interoperability, diverse protocols and standards should be there. The variety of communication protocols like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Zigbee, and a lack of standardized interface make it difficult for devices from different manufacturers to work together seamlessly. Compatibility issues like ensuring compatibility between old and new devices, as well as between different brands, it can be a complex spot for implementing this in real time. Data management and processing for data volume, data volume, it will be a major complexity for processing those data. Volume of data generated by IoT devices requires robust data management solutions for storage, processing, and analysis and data processing, real-time processing, and it requires strained computational resources and require advanced algorithms for processing those data. And it have vulnerabilities for often we have to check for cyber attacks, including hacking data breaches, and malware. Then encryption, the authentication should be there for securing data transmission, and access control is critical, requiring strong encryptions and authentication mechanisms. Um, then edge computing challenges will be there, resource constraints. Edge devices often have limited computational storage capabilities, posing challenges for processing complex tasks locally. And it should provide an energy efficient. There should be a balancing performance and energy consumption is crucial for battery powered and edge devices. um, then we have extensibility to have a number of smart objects should be we should manage out extensible devices. Then identification, that identifying a new device while implementing it in IoT, it will be a difficult, and it has we have to face major challenges for identifying those devices. And we have to detection of movement record, and energy processing restrictions should not exceed for van man. And there will be a big data will be there. The quality of management data management service have a direct correlation with the performance. The data integrity attributes should be considered. Then energy management should be made, that green technologies are required for energy efficient systems. It will not be still not fulfilled completely. Then we have considering the global IoT market size, large device manufacturing, IoT technology investment, academic interest in IoT, and the possible return on investments of IoT business. The future of IoT technology seems extremely bright and promising. However, because of the immense scope of the IoT infrastructure and the large number of devices involved, security issues will become much more prevalent. Open networking system networking problems in IoT are summarized. The compatibility between a networking protocol is another major difficulty in IoT development. Leading firms throughout the world are designing smart devices with the complete interoperability in mind. These features are critical because they will allow for seamless interactions with the present internet. The expense of IoT protocol with numerous sophisticated capabilities rises as a convenience of use decreases. Building an attractive protocol is not an easy undertaking. It is usually a trade-off between a system cost and performance. IPv6 Internet Protocol 6 version 6 introduced beneficial and adaptable networking technologies, bringing IoT features one step closer to desired interoperability. The Internet of Things will connect a variety of things to create a revolutionary services. Moreover, IoT data is characterized by heterogeneity, which implies that information created in large quantities arrives in real time has changing structure and may have an unknown source because of total performance in a straight line proportional to the characteristics of data management and servicing. The problem of managing massive data is crucial. Whenever the data integrity component is examined, the problem becomes much more problematic, not only because it impacts service quality, but also because it raises privacy and security concerns, especially with outsourced data. The another important aspect is IoT program paradigm is completely managed. Mobility management because of hot processing and power limits. Conventional mobility supporting protocols where vehicle ad hoc networks, sensor network, mobile ad hoc networks are unable to effectively cope up with common IoT devices. These are the challenges that we are facing while applying an IoT applications while supporting these are we have to face those challenges while implementing the IoT devices and smart devices, the configuration, connecting those smart devices with that internet. Those are the complex things that we are facing. We have to provide also security and vulnerability. This we should provide a security to those devices, and energy needs of IoT are unmet. The new few routing protocols are previously mentioned offer low power data exchange. However, they are still in early stages of developments. As a result, green technologies must be used to make IoT devices as a power efficient and feasible. Thank you.